So this is the juicer that I bought. But I'm so excited! Okay, so now I need to access this mechanism. So you guys, I'm about to make the 4-ingredient juice. So I'm gonna put lemon, green apple, ginger, and celery. Hey friends, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm a stay-at-home mom, so you will probably hear my kids in the background. I've homeschooled today already, so now they're just kind of on their wild streak. But anyways, that's not what the video is about. If you guys missed it, I bought myself a Breville juicer, okay? If I didn't upload that video separately, you guys will probably see a little montage of whatever of me getting it, and I was about to unbox it and all that, just like super excited, but I didn't fully get to it. So I am here today to actually unbox my juicer because I'm so excited to put it to use. I noticed that they put my package upside down. Those geniuses. I have an exciting unboxing for myself. Your girl just got herself a juicer. So I've been meaning to get a juicer for the longest time. I hear all the benefits of juicing and whatnot, and I technically was trying to use like my blend tech to do it, but it just has too much trash. It's definitely not like the same thing. So I went out on the weekend shopping to see if I can find like a little mini compact thing, and I couldn't find it. So lo and behold, I just went to Amazon and got myself a juicer. I'm so excited because this was not my original intention, but I'm so happy about it because I'm gonna be juicing, and I just pray that I keep up with it. So I wanted to look it up to see specifically what they said the benefits of juicing was, and it says it can help to reduce your risk of cancer. I don't know, boost your immune system, remove toxins from your body, and aid with digestion and help you lose weight. Like, your girl could benefit from all of those. So
they actually got like the perfect size box for this.
ta-da! So this is the juicer that I bought. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I just love seeing the colorfulness of all the juices. Like, that entices me to want to make juice. So for some reason, I was sitting around waiting for the, I don't know what I thought was the perfect timing. I'm like, what is the perfect time? I was waiting for the dishes to be done and the background to be clean so I could film this vlog. But I'm like, you know what? We gonna do it today. It's just always something going on. I am a mom of 5, so I can cut myself some slack, regardless of if anyone else wants to cut me some slack. I'm gonna cut myself some slack, and I'm just like, let's get on with it today. So anyways, enough talking. I want to unbox my juicer today because I am just kind of dying to start off this juice journey, to start just getting myself loaded with nutrients and fiber. Well, maybe not the fiber, because I think when you're juicing, you're just getting the juice and not like the actual, well, maybe some of the pulp too. So yeah, I just want to be loading myself up on nutrients and possibly just do a juice cleanse like for a couple of days. I don't know if I will be able to do it. I've never done one before, but I'm hopeful that I could, maybe. So anyways, I'm hopeful. So that's what I'm going to be doing in today's video. I'm going to be unboxing it and hopefully get to the point where I'm making the juice today. So stay tuned and see how it works out. And I'll show you guys, if you guys are curious about a juicer of any kind, you want to see this one that I got, I'll do a little bit of unboxing. I paid for this all with my own money. It wasn't sponsored by any means, but I do like the Breville brand, and I have my toasters from their brand, and I absolutely love it. So I just kind of, when I was looking, I saw that they had a juicer. I was like, you know what, let's just kind of go with what I know, because I know their products are kind of engineered to stay. And I also have like, I do have a manual juicer of theirs as well for like oranges and grapefruits, but I want to be able to juice more than that. And I want to be able to do it with more than just my hands. So let me go ahead and then stop talking and show you what came in this box of items. I hope you guys can see me. Yeah guys, so as you can see, the whole mechanism came in one unit except the juice container. This came out separately. This was in the box, and so was this brush, which is like a cleaner, I'm imagining, to be able to clean like the hard to reach places. But I'm so excited. Oh, my bad. Also, it came with instructions. This is just a juice jug, and this is gonna be the container where you fill the juice. Nice. Okay. And straight off the bat, guys, straight off the bat, I like the containers. They're solid, like they're solid made. They're not like flimsy little plastics, which I just can't, I don't like. So I know you pay a little bit more, but you pay for what you get. So I switched the angle so you guys can get a better look, but it's beautiful. Oh. Now I'm just trying to figure out what everything does. Okay, this is the area where I'll be putting my veggies and stuff and fruits. Obviously you're gonna have to chop them down to size to put them in there, and then you push it down. Ooh. Okay, so now I need to access this mechanism. How do I do that? Oh, I know how to open that because I can see that the inside is lined with some plastic as well, to show you that everything is new and not used, because you know, that's not fun. Fun story, today I bought the kids like hotcakes from Mickey D's, and how about the last one looked like it had a big bite mark in it. I tried calling the location, but no one's answered yet, so I'm gonna have to call back. But yeah, that's just gross. Like, it is so gross to think that your product's been used, or I mean, something's been eaten. And yeah, I like that everything is freshly sealed. Wow, okay. Take this out. Like, am I gonna have to take this out to clean it? Okay. So you can separate it and take this off, as you can see, because I was wondering, like, this is the area that you're gonna have to clean as well, because the pulp is probably gonna collect in here, right? From you pushing it down. Yeah, it's gonna all collect in here while your juice is gonna make its way into the bucket. So yeah, I think it's time to put this baby to the test. I just noticed that this also has a thing underneath it indicating that it's dishwasher safe, which is so cool. So you can go ahead and actually just put this in the dishwasher after every use. And let's see, oh, it separates. But this is dishwasher safe, and that's a good way to, an easy way to clean it if you want to throw it in. But yeah, it tells you to clean it after every use, which, I mean, I think that's pretty standard. Who wouldn't clean a juicer after every use? So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and give these things a quick rinse. I don't know about you, but I want to wash things before I use them to prepare any kind of food. So I'm gonna give them a quick wash just so they can be clean, and then I'm going to proceed to try it out. So let's go. So you guys, I'm about to make the 4-ingredient juice. So I'm gonna put lemon, green apple, ginger, and celery. Ooh. Oh yeah.
How will it taste?
Let Zoe try it.
Whoa. Did you put more lemon?
No, I just put one.
I'm done.
Let Zoe try it.
So, do you want to try it? Zoe looks so nervous. Come here, boo-boo. Come. Look into the camera's eyes while you drink this fantastical smoothie that'll take you away. You look good, right? She's just like, I'm gone.
Yum!
Yum, it's yummy.